So if you're brand new to kettlebell, I recommend these 4 kettlebells: a 4, an 8, a 12, and a 16 kilogram bell. Your 4 kilogram bell you'll use for your mobility drills, your warm-up drills, things like this halo, and your bottoms up work that'll help you practice your postural alignment. The 8 kilogram bell you'll use for learning new skills, such as the kettlebell swing. And for practicing movement patterns, such as the kettlebell clean. This one's a tricky one. Good to have a lighter bell for this. The 12 kilogram bell will give you feedback that the lighter kettlebells just won't give you. It's great for farmers and suitcase carries, for front rack carries, and soon you'll be using it for your overhead carries and Turkish get-ups. The heavy bell will be for your lower body dominant movements, such as the deadlift, the squat, and pretty soon for your 2-handed kettlebell swings.